Let me grab the spoon. I'll get you a little bit more, okay? And then you can put it in your mouth if you want to. Just a little bit. There. Good job. Good job. Yay! Good job. Good job. Yeah. More? I don't know if she's into the cereal more or the spoon. Do you want more? Let me get you some more on the spoon. Get you a little bit more, okay? Oh, woo, woo. It's very exciting. Woo.
Good thing those come with rubber tips.
No kidding. Yum, yum, yum. Let me get you some more.